Welcome to the challenge. Welcome to become fluent English speaker. Welcome back to your 60 days English fluency challenge. Today is day 52, just 8 days are left. And this is a very important stage because you are now very close to the finish line. I'm Laura and I will guide you in today's practice. Before we start, relax your shoulders, take a small breath, and get ready to speak out loud. This is not just listening. This is active training. Speak with me every time. Look at how far you have come. And day 1, maybe you were nervous. Maybe you're translating everything in your mind. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes. But now you're on day 52. That means you have stayed consistent, and consistency is more powerful than talent. You may not see huge change every day, but small daily progress is building inside you. Your mind is getting faster. Your listening is improving. Your speaking hesitation is reducing. That is real improvement. Now repeat after me. I am improving every day. Again, I am improving every day. Good. Now say this. I am becoming a fluent English speaker. Say it clearly. Believe it. Now, understand something important. Most people quit before this stage. They start with motivation, but stop when it becomes difficult. But you are still here. That means you are different. You're building discipline, and discipline is the real secret of fluency. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving. So repeat after me. I don't quit. Again, I don't quit. Good. Now say this. I keep going every day. I keep going every day. Now let's start speaking practice. Don't think too much. Just repeat immediately. I am ready to speak English confidently. I am ready to speak English confidently. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me improve. Mistakes help me improve. I practice even when I feel tired. I practice even when I feel tired. Good. Now a little faster. I can speak English. I can speak English. I am confident. I am confident. I am improving. I am improving. Perfect. Now let's imagine real-life situations. You are in a cafe. Someone asks you what you want. Repeat this. I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please. Can I also have a glass of water? Can I also have a glass of water? Good. Now you meet a new person. They ask where you are from. I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan, and I am learning English every day. And I am learning English every day. Excellent. This is real communication. Now, focus on thinking in English. Don't translate from your language. Think directly. Today, I will practice English. Say it. Today, I will practice English. Good. Next, I'm getting better every day. I am getting better every day. Next, English is becoming easy for me. English is becoming easy for me. Even if it feels slow, your brain is learning. Every sentence you speak is progress. Now, quick repetition. No thinking. Just speak. I can do this. I can do this. I will not stop. I will not stop. I am improving fast. I am improving fast. I speak every day. I speak every day. Good. Again, faster. I can. I can. I will. I will. I do. I do. Perfect. Now a short conversation practice. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? What are you doing? I am practicing English. Do you like learning English? Yes, I like it. Why? Because I want to speak fluently. Good. Again, faster. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am practicing English. Do you like English? Yes, I like it. Now listen carefully. You are on day 52. That means you did not quit. That already makes you stronger than most learners. You are building a habit, and habits create results. Not shortcuts, not luck, only repetition, only consistency, only practice. So say this loudly. I will finish this challenge. Again, I will finish this challenge. Even louder. I will finish this challenge. Good. Now just relax for a moment. Take a breath. You did something today. You showed up, and showing up is the real success. Every time you practice, your English becomes stronger. Even if you don't feel it immediately, it is happening inside your brain. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep improving. I'm Laura, and I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, stay consistent, stay confident, and keep speaking English every day. You are becoming fluent step by step.